welcome back. In the last video we have discussed one story, means we have started one story, that is No Ordinary Soldier, and in this No Ordinary Soldier we have discussed one incident, means how that soldier doll, that Jang Bahadur, the name of that soldier doll was Jang Bahadur, and how that Jang Bahadur saved the life of that all army people or that Lieutenant Colonel Sanjay Singh. As I told, that half story we have completed. The next incident, what the second incident happened in that glacier post, and how that Jang Bahadur had saved the life of their peoples. Okay, we are going to start. Okay, so please concentrate for this next story, means the same story, No Ordinary Soldier. We are going to see the next part, means the second number incident, what happened. A week later, an important message came over the radio. After 1 week on that glacier post, one important message came on the radio. The soldiers were told to move to post 1075. The soldiers where that Lieutenant Colonel Sanjay Singh was working in the army. So he was in charge of that whole battalion. So that in charge or that Lieutenant Colonel Sanjay Singh or that whole battalion received one order that they have to go towards the one another post, that is 1075. That place name was 1075. The post was high in the mountains near the glacier. First position they have posted to the glacier post, as I told in the first video, and this post was in the mountains. Now that army person, they are ordered to go to the mountains near that glacier. The mission was to check for possible enemy movements there. What was the mission? The mission was to check the enemies movement, means the enemies are crossing there or not. We have to check that enemy movement in that 1075 post. They took their places in their vehicles and began climbing up the mountains to the post. So, according to the order, that all the battalion or all that soldier and Lieutenant Colonel Sanjay Singh went to the mission, means they went to that post. Lieutenant Colonel Sanjay Singh was the last aboard, sitting next to the driver in the front seat. So that Lieutenant Colonel Sanjay Singh was in charge of the whole battalion. He was the head of that battalion. So he sat near the driver's seat in front of the car or in front of that jeep. The vehicles moved ahead along the narrow road. The road was very narrow. Okay, means only one time only one vehicle can pass from that road. That like only the width of that road was very small. So the vehicles was moving towards that narrow road. They had not gone very far when the Lieutenant Colonel realized that he had left Jang Bahadur behind. After some time, when that battalion or when that soldiers and Sanjay Singh are going towards that glacier, that 1075 post, after some time, after some meters they have crossed, after some road they have crossed, Lieutenant Colonel Sanjay Singh realized that or remembered that or identified that I have forgot that Jang Bahadur, means that doll given by his daughter. Okay, that Geeta, you may remember that Geeta. Okay, that Geeta gifted that Jang Bahadur to his father, her father. Okay, so that Sanjay Singh has forgotten that Jang Bahadur into his room. He thought about his daughter and ordered the vehicles to turn back and return the way they had came. So when he identified that I have forgotten that Jang Bahadur into my house or into that room, he ordered that vehicle to go back towards the room, because he was thinking about his daughter, because that daughter, means that Geeta, when she was giving that Jang Bahadur to his father, to her father, that Geeta said that, father, you have to keep this Jang Bahadur always with you. He will take care of you. And by looking towards Jang Bahadur, you will remember your daughter, means you will remember me. Okay, so that that Colonel Sanjay Singh remembered or observed or thought about her daughter, and he thought about his daughter and he ordered the vehicles to go back towards the house, means towards that room. He found Jang Bahadur lying in the bushes where he had dropped him. That Jang Bahadur, Lieutenant Colonel Sanjay Singh dropped that Jang Bahadur into one bushes, and he got that Jang Bahadur lying there only. He placed the doll safely into his bag and into his backpack, and they got ready to leave again. Then he carefully took that Jang Bahadur into his bag. He packed that Jang Bahadur into his bag carefully, and he again went towards the 1075 post, means towards their mission. Lieutenant Colonel Sanjay Singh ordered the vehicles to move fast, hoping they could reach the post before dark. Because some more time they have lost it, so the Lieutenant Colonel Sanjay Singh ordered that driver or ordered that vehicles to move fast, because they have to reach that post before the night. Okay, so that's why the Lieutenant Colonel Sanjay Singh ordered that vehicle to move fast. They had barely driven a few kilometers when he noticed a dark smoke rising into the sky. After completing few kilometers, means after completing few distance, that Lieutenant Colonel Sanjay Singh observed that some kind of black smoke. Smoke means black air. Black air is coming out of something. Okay, that is smoke. So that black smoke is coming from something. Means that smoke is rising into the sky. He can see. He looked at his map and saw that a bridge was just up ahead near the smoke. He took out one map. So as if we also going to some new places, always we refer to a map. So that Sanjay Singh was always, as he was injured, so he was having that map. So he took out his map out, and he noticed that, or he saw that the bridge, where that bridge they wanted to cross, that bridge is near to that smoke. So it was the only way ahead, and that was the only way to reach towards the 1075 post. They need to go towards that bridge. They need to pass that bridge. Then only they can reach to the 1075 post. So that bridge was only the way. As the jeeps neared the bridge, the soldiers heard loud and frantic noises. As they reached near that bridge, that soldiers or all the battalion group of that soldiers heard one type of loud noise. What was that noise? Excited villagers stood near the bridge with their flocks of terrified sheep and goats. By taking their sheep and goats, that villagers, means there was one village, and the people living in that village, that is villagers. That villagers was making that noise, and they was very terrified, or they was very shocked, and they was standing near that bridge. Soon they saw the reason. The pieces of what used to be the bridge were scattered across the road. To the Lieutenant Colonel, it was clear that there had been a bomb blast. So what was happened there? One bomb blast was happened there, and due to that the bridge was totally collapsed. Okay, before some time one bomb blast was happened there, so that's why that bridge was totally scattered here and there, means collapsed or breaked here and there. The vehicles came to a halt. Halt means one safe position. That vehicles are parked towards the safe position or safe place. One of the villagers approached to the soldiers and told them what had happened. So as the vehicles parked at the safe place, one of the villagers came near that soldiers, and that villagers was telling what was happened. A bomb had gone off, destroying the bridge and filling the air with the flames and smoke. So what the villagers told to that soldiers, that yes, before some time one bomb blast is happened over here, and due to that this bridge is totally collapsed, and due to to that bomb blast, the smoke is coming out of in the air. The soldiers were quiet. The soldiers became very silent or quiet. They knew that the bomb was for them. So they come to know that, or they knew that the bomb was placed for them only. If the Lieutenant Colonel had not forgotten Jang Bahadur and had not asked the driver to turn back, they would have been crossing the bridge just as it exploded. So what the soldiers was thinking? Soldiers was thinking that yes, that bomb blast or that bomb was placed for us only, and if that Lieutenant Colonel Sanjay Singh had not forgotten Jang Bahadur into his room, then we will never went back to the room, and in that time period only that bomb has blasted. So that's why the soldiers was thinking that if the Lieutenant Colonel had not forgotten Jang Bahadur into his room, then and the Lieutenant Colonel Sanjay Singh had not tell or asked the driver to turn back, they would have, or we would have crossed the border, and we would have crossed that bridge, and as the bridge is exploded, we also got exploded. He realized that for the second time Jang Bahadur had saved their lives. So as we seen in the first video that how the Jang Bahadur, that little soldier doll, saved the life of Lieutenant Colonel Sanjay Singh. For this incident also, that indirectly that Jang Bahadur, that doll, saved their lives. Okay. So in the first incident we seen that how that Jang Bahadur saved their lives by falling down onto the ground when that Lieutenant Colonel Sanjay Singh leaned to take that Jang Bahadur. He seen that some flash in that valley. Then he raised one danger alarm. Then after a few hours, that soldiers fought enemy soldiers when they are crossing the borders. That was the first incident where that Jang Bahadur had saved their lives. And for this second time also, Jang Bahadur indirectly saved their lives. Okay, so what happened at the end? When he returned home, he means Lieutenant Colonel Sanjay Singh. When he returned home, Lieutenant Colonel Sanjay Singh held Geeta and Jang Bahadur in his arms. He thanked his daughter for the best gift he and his men had ever received. Means he was thanking to Geeta that Geeta gifted that Jang Bahadur to her father, and due to that Jang Bahadur, for the two times, for the second time also, the soldiers and the Sanjay Singh's life was saved. Understood, students? I hope you understood this story, No Ordinary Soldier. In this No Ordinary Soldier, we seen two stories, means two parts we have seen. In the first part, how that Jang Bahadur had saved the life indirectly, and in this video, for the second part, we see that again for the second time how the Jang Bahadur saved their lives. I hope you understood the story. If you have any query regarding this story, you can refer to your chat box. I will clear your doubts. Okay, students. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, students. Take care.